Good afternoon, dudes and dudettes. Today we got this funky looking Kichler fan I got at Lowe's on clearance for $75. Here's the box. No model name on it whatsoever. So all it says is 16-inch ceiling fan. So yeah. It comes with a remote control. No light, obviously. I think this thing's either wired back. I think the remote's wired backwards because 1 is low and 3 is high. It's really weird, but like anyway, I guess here's low. Yeah, it isn't forward. Thank God. It's aesthetic. The whole reason I bought it was for when I move out. I'll probably put this in my hallway. The way this thing works is when it's on downdraft, the air flows more here, and on updraft, the air flows more there. It's a weird design, but it's not too bad. This is more just for looks, the slow speed. All right, here's medium. Now you can kind of hear the air movement. No noise whatsoever. Here's high. The only noise this thing makes is the wind noise. Of all the fans I own, I definitely want to test this one inside and not out in my garage. I just hate this testing space because right now, this is my iPhone, like the camera. This is my iPhone at my eye level. So I'm literally looking right at the top there. It's a very low testing space. I don't know what my animals are doing. For some reason. Alrighty. I'll give you a spin down. Which isn't very long at all, actually. Go ahead and flip it in reverse for you. And find my remote. There she be. Low reverse. Alright, medium reverse. Here's high reverse. Reverse is a very concentrated, but you know, it moves air. Pretty decent too, actually, for its size. Because I didn't expect much from this fan at all. Alright. I'll do spin down again for you guys. Only because it's only like a 30-second spin down, if that. Not even. Alright, that's my funky looking Kichler ceiling fan. Thanks for watching, and I plan to start posting more fan videos soon.